generously donated by one Alan O. I have this yellow Miele Jazz, model number S7280. So let's see how this does with the extreme carpet edge cleaning. But I'll say this, once you get for this carpet, for this medium pile flow-through Boha carpet, once you get CFM above 60 with a kind of a standard nozzle opening, and you have the right kind of seal to the carpet and the right kind of agitation, you can just start to pull flour through the pile. So this is actually a second run through of this, because I was pleasantly surprised at the first run through's results. So let's see if I can actually duplicate that. A little more room here. At some point I'm going to have to start restocking my flour, doing so many of these tests. And let's go underneath the carpet. There we go. Now this machine, if you're familiar with it, doesn't get all that loud, so you probably don't have to turn your headphones down. Although the brush roll does make some noise, I think. And away we go. Okay, on the top, clean sweep, just off the edge onto the concrete. You can see where it didn't really quite have enough airflow to pick all that up. But let's look underneath the carpet, see what we got. Okay, so you see the before and after? Oh, move a little bit too. So it did get some, but see all these little white spots everywhere? That's where it just kind of left everything. So it definitely did get some. I'm not seeing a whole lot of clogging in the carpet backing here. Didn't really seem to drag anything very far. But all these little white spots all along here, it kind of smashed some stuff in there, but I think it did actually get some through the pile. It wasn't a whole lot, but it got some. It's the beginnings of it. And we saw this same behavior with Thomas Rechtenwald's Wind Tunnel 3. I think he's got more agitation in it, a more aggressive agitation than this Miele does, but still it had the right kind of agitation and just enough airflow to start pulling stuff through this carpet pile. So that's not bad. That's not bad. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.